Hurricane Isaias has been upgraded to hurricane status by NHC this morning. NHC is now giving 80 miles per hour. From my analysis, it is now 130 kilometers per hour and a pressure of 991 hectopascals. It is moving NW at 26 kilometers per hour and located at 21.2 and 73.8 W. The wind field is quite large, especially the northeastern side. The storm is now 45 kilometers from Town, 235 from Clarence Town, 560 from Nassau, 770 from Freeport and 825 from Miami. Sea surface temperature is warm, which is about 29 degrees. Vertical wind shear is not favorable, which is about 25 knots. In terms of chance of experiencing gale wind, there are nearly 100% in Town, 94% in Clarence Town, 92% in Nassau, 85% in Freeport, and 51% in Miami. Intensity is likely to remain and then intensify again. I expect to have a Category 4 peak if rapidly intensification happens. Vertical wind shear is expected to remain unfavorable, but it likely to drop slowly. Sea surface temperature will maintain in the next few days. Humidity is fair due to dry air, which is now 50 to 55%. The latest satellite imageries and microwave imagery show that deep convection near 90 degrees is blowing up near the center. Due to wind shear, the storm is weakening a little bit. Who lives in the Bahamas and the east coast of Florida should be aware of the storm coming. Finally, thank you for watching this video.